It is a very small particle, impossible to see by the eye, and can only be examined by scanning tunnel microscopy, atomic force microscopy. An atom has a negatively charged cloud of electrons that surrounds the nucleus. The nucleus consists of positively charged protons and unloaded neutrons. The atom is electrically unloaded when the number of protons in the atom is equal to the number of electrons. If the number of electrons and protons is not equal, this particle is called an ion. Ions are highly unstable structures and interact with other ions and atoms in the environment to get rid of their high energy. An atom is classified according to the number of protons and neutrons it has. The number of protons in the atom defines the chemical element, while the number of neutrons also defines the isotope of this element. Each element has at least one isotope that gives radioactive decay. Electrons are present at certain energy levels and can make transitions between different levels by oscillating or absorbing photons. In addition to determining the chemical properties of the element, the electron is also highly effective on the magnetic properties of the atom. Atom and its structure. The most indivisible part of substances is called an atom. An atom cannot turn into atoms that are different from itself by any physical or chemical methods other than itself. The atom contains charged protons, charged electrons, and no-load neutrons. An atom consists of two elementary particles, a nucleus and an electron. Nucleus forms the center of the atom. Although it is very small in volume 1/10,000, it is the part where all the weight 1/1840 is collected. Protons. The number of protons for an element is constant. It is the proton that determines all properties of the element. When the number of protons changes, the type and entire property of the element changes. It is indicated by the letter P. Electron, denoted by the letter E. Around the core, they are located in certain orbits. Electrons cannot exist in independent orbits. Atomic models. Dalton atom model. One matter consists of non-divisible particles filled with insides called atoms. Two atoms of the same element are the same in terms of size. The atoms of different elements are completely different from each other. Three atoms are preserved in reactions. Four molecules are formed at the end of mergers of atoms. Thomson atomic model. Thomson stated that matter consists of uniformly distributed positive charges and interspersed negative charges. In this aspect, the substance atom can be likened to grape cake. The cake is the positive charge, and the grapes are the electrons. Rutherford atomic model. At the center, its mass consists of a very large nucleus and electrons circulating around it in certain orbits. The inability of this view is that the question of why the electron does not fall into the nucleus or exit from the atom remains unanswered.